Hi everyone, let me tell you about our best pre-insulated duct panels. These duct panels use PIR foam with embossed aluminum foil, making them very strong and excellent at insulation. They are ideal for your home or business air conditioning systems, helping you save energy and money. Plus, they are lightweight and very easy to install. Compared to Kingspan and P3 ducts, our pans provide the same quality at a low price. They are durable, fire resistant, and give you peace of mind. Choose our pre-insulated duct panels for a high quality and affordable solution. Contact us now for more details and quotation.